We'll walk through how to configure your hunt groups for your company in this video, and we'll have to start off, of course, by logging into the web portal at appweb.onvoip.net. Only the company administrator can modify hunt groups, so you'll have to log in with the admin credentials. To start, we need to click Services on the left, and then Hunt Group on the right underneath Basic. That's going to bring up a list of all of the hunt groups if you have more than one. Here you can see the extension number of the hunt group and a phone number if there's one assigned to it. Click the Edit link all the way to the right next to the hunt group you want to modify, and then click on Profile under Basic to bring up the hunt group profile. We'll start with the top of the page. Both the first and last name are required for calling line ID, but you can use a period as a spacer. The calling line ID shows up as a prefix to the caller ID on the phone and identifies that this call was delivered from this hunt group. With the Polycom 2-line phones, using a shorter calling line ID allows you to see more viewable characters of the caller's caller ID. Allow call waiting would make the agent available to take a call from the hunt group even if they're already on a call. We'll talk more about the 5 ring patterns in a minute. This hunt group is set to simultaneously ring all the agents in the hunt group. The number of rings to each agent in this hunt group is currently set to 1. That doesn't give the agent a lot of time to answer a call from this hunt group, so we're going to go ahead and change that to 3 rings from the drop-down. The overflow in this case is extension 5000, which is the extension for the automated attendant for this company. The overflow can be any extension in your system or a 10-digit phone number. In this case, we're going to use a feature access code, *55, to direct overflow calls straight to the voicemail for 2001. In some cases, you may benefit from using a timer as opposed to a set number of rings before transferring the call. To do that, you check this box and put the number of seconds here before the call overflows to the number below. To confirm the changes, click Apply. In addition to the no answer overflow, you also have to set up the busy overflow. To change the busy overflow option, click on Incoming Calls on the left and then Call Forward Busy. Typically, you'll want these two options to match. Let's take a look at the bottom part of the profile screen now, where you manage the users who are assigned to the hunt group. The users currently assigned to the hunt group show up on the right, and when you click the search button, the available users currently not assigned show up on the left. You can highlight and use the Add button to assign available users to the hunt group. You can remove users the same way by highlighting them on the right and using the Remove button. You can change the order in which the agents appear on the list with the Move Up, Move Down buttons at the bottom. The order of the list only matters for certain ring patterns. Once you're satisfied with the way everything looks, click OK. Let's talk about the ring patterns which define when the agents are called through the hunt group. The circular pattern rings the agent on the list following the last agent to receive a call. The regular ring pattern starts at the top of the list each time. Simultaneous is the most popular and rings all of the agents on the list at the same time. Uniform rings the agents based on how long they've been available and starts with the agent who's been idle the longest. Weighted call distribution sends calls to agents based on percentages you assign from the hunt group's profile. When weighted call distribution is selected as the ring pattern, the link becomes available from the hunt group's profile page, and from there you can change the percentages for all the agents on the list. If you need help or have questions, you can always call the support line, and thanks for choosing ApptixVoice.